ngDesk gives you the option to configure SPF records to allow ngDesk to send emails from your company's domain instead of from your ngDesk subdomain. To do this, first, you must retrieve and then configure the SPF text record on your domain registrar. In your ngDesk account, navigate to and select Company Settings from the sidebar. Then, under Email Settings, select SPF Records and click New in the top right corner. Click the link for instructions on how to set up an SPF record. Here you will find the SPF text record for ngDesk. Copy the SPF text to your clipboard and navigate to your domain registrar. Click Create New Record Set. Enter your company's domain. Select TXT as the type, and in the Value field, paste the contents of the copied SPF record. Then click Create. Once you have added the ngDesk SPF text record to your domain registrar, you can create your SPF record in ngDesk. To do this, navigate back to the SPF record section in your ngDesk account. Enter the domain name you created the SPF record for and click Save. The system will perform a validation check to confirm if ngDesk is permitted to send emails using the specified domain name. Once the verification check is complete and confirmed, the SPF record will be added to your account. In the case that the domain name fails the verification check, you will receive an error message. Check your domain registrar record for errors and try again. If you have any questions, please contact ngDesk support.